Ibekwe, what's wrong with you? Ibekwe, you again? What's your problem?
Look at them, forming strong man. Strength self, you know, get. I go. Come on, get out from your sister, Mumu.
Ibekwe, I can see that you are out of your mind. I can see it.
Carl, I don't tell you finish. Today no be that day where I pity you. I go wound you. I just say I go wound you.
Ibekwe,
I go wound you. Me and you know the play here.
You go wound me.
I go wound you.
Ibekwe, today is today.
Today.
Ibekwe, me and you will die here today. Ibekwe, we die here, but please wait. Why your thunder is still processing? Ibekwe, we die here today.
No, Alana.
What are these boys trying to do?
So let me where you want fight.
Now me and you today.
Let me where you want fight. Let me where you want fight. Let me where you want fight.
Me and you today.
You don't kill him, oh. You don't kill him. Me. I don't go. Me and you.
Me.
And who is this one even talking to?
Will you shut up? Any one more word from you, I'll strike you with everlasting madness.
Hey, Baba. Baba, someone cannot play with you. I'm joking now.
What are friends for? What are friends
ordinary this, ordinary shoe. Ordinary this.
Remove the shoe.
If you want me to remove my clothes, I'll remove my clothes.
Someone cannot joke with you.
I don't need to the extent of madness.
Just like that.
I will take seat.
What brought you to my shrine?
Baba, every shrine here we need to acquire supernatural power. I to boutique in the Pentecost.
I see.
Baba, I'm ready. Okay, ready. I need muscular power, like Anthony Joshua.
Itoro.
Quiet! You look like Kejim has to you.
Baba, say Benjamin Rona, Baba. Baba, calm down. Baba, Butu, calm down. Baba, actually we are here to acquire spiritual power.
Exactly.
Actually, they pay Kuku. And we see, you want to acquire spiritual powers to manipulate our enemies. Get me like that.
Hey!
These people have really dealt with us. We want to show them pepper.
Exactly.
We want to show them pepper. I hope I'm saying your mind.
Baba, let the power commence now.
Hope I'm saying your mind.
Yes.
Because I don't want before they say I've spoken.
I see.
Baba, that is what we want.
Yes.
That is what brought us to your shrine.
I see.
Yes.
You are in the right place. But listen up. You have to sacrifice something before you get the power.
Baba, sacrifice. I'm not in support to can't me off.
I was about asking the same thing. What
you know?
Sacrifice the quoi? You cannot sacrifice the quoi?
Baba, if that sacrifice is mandatory, Baba, we have to take our leave.
Exactly.
Because I really don't like to stress myself.
Yes.
If you move an inch again, better. Then mention someone's name to use for the sacrifice.
That one. It is easy now. Ibekwe.
Yes.
Oh, Kripigana Buko Sanario. He has been used. Yes.
New Nepal.
Okwa and Judas.
Exactly.
But yes. As I try harder now. Try harder. I remember. Udoka the philanthropist.
Exactly.
One way. Baba. Exactly. Udoka the philanthropist. Yes.
Here has not been used.
No! Oh yeah. Baba, use it
immediately.
Use it.
What? Use this. Anybody that appear, shoot him.
Ozubono. Baba, and I'm a sharpshooter. Name na, even a family, I'm a bunch. I'm a sharpshooter. I will kill anybody on sight.
And you're a child again. You quiet.
I will shoot you now.
Udoka! Appear!
Jesus. Oh yeah. Jesus. Jesus. You never kill my father.
Bye bye no. Aziza. Alam.